Good afternoon to all of you. Myself Jasing, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management. In today we start topic impacts of destination life cycle on quality of life. The impact of tourism development can felt mainly across three spheres, which are the social, economic, and environmental areas. How widely the effect of tourism's developments are felt in these impacts area will vary as tourism destination evolves. Here are some expression on three main impacts areas of tourism development. The first one is socio-cultural impacts. The tourism expansion reflects on social as well as cultural attributes of indigenous residents in an area. Their attributes, beliefs, and virtues are all linked to tourism development. There can either be negative or positive impact socio-culturally. On positive side, for instance, the tourism can lead to better community services in terms of establishment of culture and recreational centers. The tourism can also serve to encourage culture exchanges and exhibitions. All these have a bearing on physical and emotional status of residents in tourist area. Conversely, the impact of tourism might also be adverse. Incidents of crime, gambling, and overcrowding of public facilities are some of negative effects of tourism which may undermine the quality of life at a destination community. The second one is economic impact. The most recognized impact of tourism development it is economic benefit for the destination area. These might in form of increased employment rates, increased income, higher tax revenues, increased public fundings, and implement tax base for the government of destination community. All these are indicators of the quality of life a destination area. Some macro indicators are also linked directly to the quality of life of residents. This includes changes in rate of unemployment, population of unskilled workers, level of literacy, total household income, and prices of goods and services, consumer cost of living incidents, and others. These economic benefits reflect on economic and material welfare of a destination area. The tourism development can, however, also come with some negative economic impacts. For example, the destination community cost of living might shoot up because of increase in the prices of goods and services might. Overall, the impact of tourism development is felt more positively on the quality of life. The next impact is environmental impacts. The expansion of tourism activities might lead to severe environmental damage. The tourist area destination is oftentimes developed to suit the needs and preferences of visitors without due consideration to the damages being done to the environment. The air pollution, CO emissions from automobiles, water pollution as a result of improper waste management, destruction of flora, plants, destruction of fauna, wildlife through hunting and deforestation are some of negative impacts of tourism development on a destination community. These environmental impacts are not, however, all negative. There are some positive impact. The tourism development, for instance, can help enhance a community appearance through the increased construction of parks and recreational facility, and it also lead to improvement of public infrastructure. The challenge is try to minimize the adverse effects of tourism while enhancing its positive impacts by proper management of resources that improve the quality of life of both tourists and residents in a resident community. Thank you everyone. If you like our content, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academics.